some money, buy lots of stuff, but that still won't get you higher, higher than love.
Well, this is awkward. I don't recall inviting you to lunch.
I warned her about you. What animals like yourself are capable of. But she didn't listen.
You could ride on a spaceship to the stars up above, but that still won't get you higher, higher than love.
Rachel, you can tiptoe around topless wearing ballet slippers. As sure as I'm standing here, something will set him off.
You can try. Go ahead and try. I'll stand by. Yeah, I'll stand by.
He thinks there's something going on between us, Malcolm. He thinks I lied about everything. Why did you text me?
How could you ask that? I missed you. I hadn't heard from you. I was worried.
Worried? My God, you know how jealous he gets. How could you?
I wasn't thinking.
But when you're sick and tired of trying, and you're wondering what it's really about, just fall right back in these open arms, and you.
Do you understand what I'm saying to you?
Yes. It's not my fault.
Now stand up.
What's with the gun, Malcolm? Fine. This is your solution? Shoot me and then live happily ever after? Come on.
Let's go upstairs.
I'm with a woman who doesn't even love you. Come on, how sensible is that, Malcolm?
So help me, I'll kill you right here. Now let's go upstairs.
Rachel.
Higher, higher than